I thought for today's creative grounding exercise, we could do a fun little practice in remembering the chakras and actually visualizing going up and down with a little bit of pick a pot, pick a pan, whatever. And if we start at the bottom, we've got the root, and it could be like kind of in the groin area. Or we can do the feet or the grounding, kind of goes up that portion of the body. And then we've got like right below the navel area, you have the sacral into the solar, which is up kind of like your gut. And then you have the heart and the throat and the third eye, and then up into the crown, okay? So I thought it would be fun to do like up and then down. So let's start with up first and see how it goes. So we have root, sacral, solar, heart, throat, third eye, crown. 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 Then I'm kind of hunched over, so it's not good on the diaphragm, but for right now, provisional. Now we're going to go from the top down. So let's see if we can do that. So it's crown, third eye, throat, heart. Okay, so we have crown, third eye, throat, heart, solar, sacral, root. And that wasn't good hand movement, but the idea is just back and forth, the left and the right side of the brain. Crown, third eye, throat, heart, sacral, solar, sacral, root. Okay, so if we do it without thinking, subconscious, just visualize the parts. Okay, so we have crown, third eye, throat, heart, solar, sacral, root. 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 Okay, anyway, it's a little bit whatever. Then if we try to put them both together, I think we can just do it slow and methodical. We start at the root. Root, we're going to go really slow so I don't glitch myself out. Okay, and then maybe we can try it like standing up and bending over and touching the toes, and maybe that can come later. But for right now, just get this into the conscious here. We have root, sacral, solar, heart, throat, third eye, crown. Crown, third eye, throat, heart, solar, sacral, root. Again, root, I almost did it. Root, sacral, solar, heart, throat, third eye, crown. Crown, third eye, solar, sacral, solar. Okay, one more time. It takes a few times to practice it. It's kind of like detangling, defragging the mind. You have like whatever, all these different things, and if you can like put them, it's like kind of symbolic of the alignment. If you can visualize from the bottom to the top and down and use the words and use the rhythm and go with the breath and go with the heartbeat, it really is going to be like a functional practice. So, but it takes a little bit of practice to make the practice. So, one more time. Root, sacral, solar, heart, throat, third eye, crown. Crown, third eye, throat, heart, solar, sacral, root. Root, third... I don't know if it's dyslexia or what, and I think it's because I'm hunching frickin' over. I don't know how to do this, but like, I don't have a place to put this. Okay, so for right now, we just have to live with it, but you guys really have got to stand up straight because it's really not good. I'm going to do it one more time. So we've got root, solar. I'm just going to do it until I can get it a few times, and then we'll just cut all this part out and then move on to brighter days where I can actually take my time and like not stress out and go with the process and just really work through it together. But for right now, we're going to have root, sacral, solar, heart, throat, third eye, crown. Crown, third eye, throat, heart, solar, sacral, root. Root, solar, sacral, heart, throat, third eye, crown. Crown, third eye, throat, heart, solar, sacral, root. root, sacral, solar, heart, throat, third eye, crown, crown, third eye, throat, heart, solar, sacral, root, root. I almost did it, but anyway, that's the idea. And I'm going to practice it standing up. That's the challenge. The next challenge is to like practice it standing up. So here we go now. Have fun.